how to add the current temp and weather widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen and click on widgets. So if you want to add weather current temp widget, so click on weather widget. You will see after click on weather, so you will see current temp and weather is here, so click on current temp and weather. So after click on this widget, so click on done. So after click on done, you will see your current temp weather widget is add on lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add the current temp weather widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.